So the US session, so look at the charts. So Euro USD is moving down. Euro USD is consolidating at the support, so we can expect a consolidation between up and down. And you can see it is just consolidating. So pound USD is also remaining the same, remains the same. And Aussie USD look like it's also consolidating, just making a correction. I think it will fall to this support for sure, I believe. And New Zealand USD is also just consolidating. Just the consolidation just happens here, so we can expect one more up on New Zealand USD. So wait and see. USD Japanese yen. Wow, the market is moving in a trend direction, only trending direction, which is uptrend. Gold, it is also in an uptrend. However, we had an opportunity. So yesterday I told you to sell the gold around this price level. So you can see the market went down like around 2000 points, which is 200 pips from this selling area. However, market is consolidating now. So this time the gold might have chance to move, like it will touch around 2650 and then fall. So gold is clearly in an in the short term it looks like an uptrend, but in the high time, yeah, according to 1 hour chart, the short term looks like it is an uptrend. But if you look at the little bit higher time frame, so overall it's an uptrend, but it made a bigger correction after Trump victory. So you should have to stick with the gold, whether you should have to work on trade with the gold by thinking on the trending direction. So you should have to think whether the gold is moving in an uptrend or downtrend. So you should have to follow the trend. But while following the trend, you should have to catch the better entries. You should not just simply place a buy or sell. You should have to wait for the confirmation around the buying or selling area. Then you can place a trade. Well, silver is just moving in a channel, I believe. Just moving in a channel, silver. So silver is moving. Yes, Swiss franc is just consolidating, just making a correction, but yeah, it's just making a correction. Pound Swiss franc also have a good chance to, looks like it also have a good chance to move up. Pound Swiss franc, because these pairs are just consolidating between the support and resistance level, so you can expect a upward and downward movement on pound Swiss franc. And USD Canadian dollar, oh, it just retested the old broken resistance, which might now act as a new support. So just wait and see. USD JPY and Euro AUD, pound CAD, pound out, pound CAD. Euro CAD, it's clearly in a down, just retested and started to fall. And Euro GBP, not sure about this because it's just small time frame look like it's just trying to climb up from the support, but it looks like a good opportunity for buy. For buy, Euro GBP is a good opportunity. However, you should have to wait and see, wait for the breakout at the highs. I think a Euro GBP we can expect one more up. Euro New Zealand, pound New Zealand, pound out, pound New Zealand. Australia Canadian dollar, just falling. It's It's just falling now. So Australia Canadian dollar looks like it had a very good opportunity for sell actually. Australia Canadian dollar. Australia New Zealand, it's looked like a buy. So USD yen, it's moving up. Euro Canadian down. So these are the pairs which we actually repeatedly see those pairs. But today, all the markets are actually moving in a trend direction. So if you notice USD JPY or even the gold is making a correction, but USD JPY is moving in a very strong upward movement. So it's in a very strong uptrend. So if you look at the Euro USD, it's trying to move down. However, it is at the major support right now. So you should have to wait for some kind of strong confirmation. The Swiss franc, Aussie Swiss franc, this consolidating, nothing to buy or sell. CAD Swiss franc, it reaches the high, but it's still trying to make a range, so not sure. USD Canadian, I think it might have chance to make a correction, but it's good for buying, good to buy. This pair didn't make a correction for a long time, so I think we can expect a downward movement for USD Canadian. This week it might have chance to close down towards this level 1.39. So just to retest. So wait for the confirmation. The retesting the old broken resistance. I think it's good for buy. In the long run, it's good for buying. It is very good opportunity for buying USD Canadian dollar. Whenever it falls, just keep buying because it already broke the resistance right over here, so you can keep buying. Another way, if you look at the USD Canadian, it might give a correction like 2,000, 3,000 points, and then it can move up again. So this is also possible. You should have to, in the long term, you can keep buying. Long term means like next 3 to 4, 5 months, you can keep buying USD Canadian dollar. Also Canadian, same, Euro Canadian, Pound Canadian looks like it is at the support, but try to rebound, but files. It is at the support exactly. So USD JPY, Pound JPY. Well, Pound JPY look like a very clear sell opportunity is there in Pound JPY. So Pound JPY looks like a good opportunity for selling. Actually, it also depends on the Japanese yen pair as well as the pound pair. So if you look at the Aussie Japanese yen, you can see it is exactly like I tried. It looks like yesterday it looked like a breakout. However, I showed you that it was standing at the exact horizontal support. So if you have placed a buy order right over here in the support, it will be in 1,600 points profit. So keep buying JPY pairs. So go with the trend. Don't trade against the trend. Just go with the trend. And Canadian JPY, it was also standing here yesterday, and then wow, nice moment. So Japanese yen pair, all the Japanese yen pair, it was all moving in a very clear trend direction. Right now, I think Euro Japanese yen is at the lower high. So if it didn't break this high, I'm sure that it will might have more chances to fall. So Euro JPY, I think good to sell. According to this view, it's good to sell. I don't know what to say, but in this view, it looks like a very good to sell. However, if you look at any other view, well, it just retested the previous resistance or support, and then it just bounced back. I think we can expect some correction on Euro JPY. So we can expect some correction on Euro Japanese yen. So you can sell Euro JPY with this stop loss around this price level. Oh, Swiss franc JPY, it looks like broken the high. So it is also similar to Euro JPY, but it breaks the high, lower high of the descending channel. So I believe that if if this breaks, if this pair got broke out at the high, I think Euro Japanese yen also have more chances to break this high, because mostly all the pairs remains at the same level at the highs. So if it breaks, it starts to move up more. So I think Euro Japanese yen, we should have to, if you want to sell, you can sell with the stop loss around 165.25. But if you want to buy, just buy after breaking this 165 level. So Canadian Japanese yen, well, it's very good, nice upward move, and USD JPY. Yesterday it was here, and now you can see USD JPY went up very well. Right, markets are making quite big movements after the US election. So Euro Australian dollar was just consolidating, complete consolidation, support, resistance, support, resistance. Just so Euro New Zealand, well, Euro New Zealand looks like it can go down one more. It's possible. So Euro New Zealand, and pound out, pound New Zealand, gold, pound New Zealand. It is also moving in a descending channel. Wow, the Bitcoin reaches again the all-time high. Keep buying Bitcoin. I don't say that, because wait for the confirmation. Well, what kind of confirmation you should have to wait? Wait for the Bitcoin to create another new high. So New Zealand USD is at the support. Oh, you can see Bitcoin is breaking the high. 94,000. Bitcoin reaches 94,000 US dollar. It's a historical high. Aussie USD, pound USD. Looks like USD Canadian is also good for buying, or gold good for selling. So these are the opportunities available today. Gold sell at the high of 2650.